So I got me this hair cooler thingy, trying my best to see how I can combat this hot heat that is going around. And let me tell you, this heat is dangerous. It is hot. So I am unboxing this thing and see how best it will work to help me with this heat. I do not have a AC. I have 2 fans and they blow hot air. Where I live, there is not even a capacity to put in a AC. So I have to do what I can do to make sure that this heat doesn't take me over and do me some harm. It is nice to see that it came with a remote control and even some batteries, because I can at least lay in my bed and I can switch it to the mode that I need it to be in. It also came with some wheels, 4 wheels, so you can move it around to wherever you need it to be. Yeah, so you can just push it around and use it wherever you see fit or see best at the moment in time. It is also much bigger than I thought it would be, and it has more than one features on it. It has a humidifier. It has different moods that you can put it on, different speeds, and it came with this container. So this container is what you put the cold water or ice in. So as I go along, it came also with these 2 ice packs. I will see what's best for it, if it's the ice or ice water. But at the point of making this video, I noticed that when I put the ice in it, the ice doesn't melt as quickly as it should, because it kind of have this thing there where it seems to turn and suck the water up, so the water can push the cold air through the vent. So I mostly put ice cold water with small bits of ice in it. They have different features, which is very cool. You know, different moods. You have the sleeping mode, natural mode. You have the nature mode, and I am going to test it out at this point and see how it cools, because man, this heat is dangerous. Let me tell you, it's dangerous. And immediately as the ice started melting in the water, you could feel the cold air coming out. So I am still here working with it, and it does help. What it doesn't do is cool the whole room down. It does not do that. You literally has to be sitting in front of it. It also swings. It swings. So you sit there and you can swing it. You know, it swings different angles, which are good. But the best way of getting all the cool here, because that's what I do. The fan that is on the wall, I allow it to circulate, and or I allow it to swing, to rotate. I allow that fan to rotate, and it allows the hair to circulate, and it cools the room as much as it can. Because let me tell you, this place is totally hot.